Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft Skibidi Toilet. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft Skibidi Toilet, let's begin by drawing a line up here for the head. So I'm just going to make a line across here. Then let's draw a line that comes down on each side. I'm going to draw a line that comes in on each side, then a line that's going to go down on each side, and then another line across. Now right here, let's make the eyes. So I'm going to make a line here and a line here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. And same thing here, we're going to go down, over, and up. I'm going to draw a little bit longer line across the eyes. They'll make lines going to come up, over, and down, and up, over, and down in a rectangle shape for the eyebrows. Inside of the eyes, let's go ahead and make a small square shape for the pupils. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for just a tiny bit of reflection in the eyes. Now for the hair, I'm just going to draw a line right over to the eyes. Then I'm going to come up on each side. I'm going to go over and up, and then we'll go over and up. We'll go over and down for some hair. Then we'll just make a line across to connect it. Now for the nose, I'm going to make a long rectangle shape like this. Then I'll put two square shapes on each side. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that comes right across. I'm going to make a straight line on each side here. Then a line that comes down, over, and up. Next, I'm going to bring this over and down. We'll just come down here. We'll bring this over and down, and then we'll just connect it for the goatee. Next, right here, I'm just going to go down and over, and then up, over, and up. And then right here, I'm going to go down, over, and up. And then right here, we're going to go up, over, and then down for the teeth. Next, I'm going to go over, down, and in for the ear, and then over, down, and in for the ear. For the neck, I'm going to make lines going to go down, over, and then up. Starting here, let's make a straight line across. Then we'll make two diagonal lines that come up, and a little line across. We'll make a line that comes down on each side, and then a line that connects, and then another diagonal line on each side. Now right here, we're going to make a long line that comes right across here. We'll make a diagonal line that comes up towards the head. And then we'll just bring it across here. I'll make a line that's going to come down on each side. And then a line across. Then I'm going to make a diagonal line that comes down on each side. And we'll make another line across to connect it. Right across the bottom, we'll make another long line. And then we'll make this go down, over, and up for a rectangle. And then we'll just bring this line right up to here at 2 diagonals. Next, I'm going to bring this line out at an angle, and this line out at an angle. I'm going to make it come straight up a little bit. And then we'll bring it over to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft Skibidi Toilet. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.